To start off, you're going to want to get yourself a roll of vinyl. Make sure that it says iron on. Next, you're going to want to cut a piece of that vinyl out close to the size measurements you need. From there, you're going to find the Cricut app on your phone. You're going to open it. It's going to go to a new project page. You're going to open the canvas up in the top right corner. And then you can go down to upload images. You have take a photo, select from photo library, browse files, or open uploaded images. I'm going to open an uploaded image and pick an image from my image file of designs that I have already set up to load. Once you find the image you want, you will hit insert down in the bottom right hand corner and it'll load it onto a grid to size it. When you load it onto the canvas, it will give you some different icons around the image. You can lock the image so you can't move it. You have an X to delete the image. You have a little half circle arrow which will let you rotate the image, and then you have two arrows pointing a different direction that let you size the image. Once you're at the page where it shows you the size it'll be on the cutting mat, make sure you click where it says the size of the cutting mat in the mirror words. Click on that and make sure mirror is on for iron on. That's what we want for this project. The mat you need for this project is a adhesive back self-healing mat. Make sure the vinyl is shiny side face down on your adhesive mat. From there, you want to load the mat into your machine. Make sure it is under the little plastic hooks and a little bit under the wheel. Want to click on the button that is blinking with the arrows pointing up and down. That will load the mat in the machine and lock it. Once it is loaded in the machine, you want to hit the flashing Cricut icon. That is what starts cutting the project out. When your project is done, you want to remove some of the vinyl. I have already done the outer layer on this. And then you want to take your little weeding tool, which looks like a little dentist pick, and pick out the excess insert vinyl pieces. This is what your image will look like once it is done and cut out. And this is what it will look like when it's ironed on the shirt. I also ended up doing a bigger piece and put it on the back for some extra detail. And that's the final project.